hope you're doing well today. We are going to go over 3 standing poses today. We're going to do Warrior 1, Warrior 2, and Warrior 3. These are seen in almost every vinyasa style yoga class. So if you're doing a quick yoga class where you're moving quickly through the poses, you're going to see these a lot. They're very popular. They're kind of the basis of yoga, so you'll see them a lot. You've probably heard of them. Warrior 1 and Warrior 2 are going to focus on stretching our chest, our neck, our shoulders. They stretch our stomach muscles and our groin, our thighs, our calves, and our ankles. So these are giving us really a full body stretch. That's one reason why we do them so much in yoga and why they're so good for you. They're also going to be strengthening our arms, our back muscles, and our thighs as well. So they're stretching and they're strengthening certain muscles too. So they're really good for you. Warrior 3 is going to be a balance pose, and it is really good for posture. So it's strengthening those back muscles that just run up and down your back and helps you balance a little better. So we're going to start with Warrior 1. I'll show you how to get into that. We're going to start on our right leg, our right side. So your right leg is in front and your toes are pointed forward. Your back left leg is at an angle. So it's not facing forward, it's not perpendicular, it's at that angle. And you're going to bend that front right leg. You can bend it as little or as much as you want. That's one thing I love about yoga, is you can scale it to what you need that day, that week. As you progress, you can stretch more deeper into the pose, and as you get stronger, you can stretch deeper too. So this is where your feet are. Your arms are straight up, just reaching as high as you can up to the sky, right on either side of your ears. Don't worry about dropping your shoulders down, because that's going to turn the way your shoulders are, and it's going to be unnatural. So you want to be reaching up. So you don't want to worry about relaxing your shoulders here. Your shoulders and your arms are reaching straight up to the sky as high as they can, kind of stretching up, and you bend down as far as you can. So this is Warrior 1. On the left side, it looks the same, like this. Warrior 2, our feet are the same. Our arms just come straight out. So this is really stretching, kind of pulling our chest, stretching our chest, strengthening our arms since we're holding them up for a while. This is Warrior 2. Your gaze is out over that right arm, those right fingertips, and you want to try to get them pretty level. So don't feel weird videoing yourself to get your form correct. It will help you. So you can do that, or do it in front of a mirror just to make sure your form is right and you're getting the full benefit. This is Warrior 2. So Warrior 3. If you're in Warrior 2 going into Warrior 3, you would just gently kind of inch this back foot up. Transfer all your weight into the foot that's in front, whichever side you're on. The foot that's in front is the one you're going to put your weight into and stand up on. So you kind of inch that foot up if you need to. Put all your weight in your front foot and lift your back leg. Your arms go out to your side. Your palms are down, facing the ground. You want to flex that back foot, and you want to try to make your back and your leg get into a straight line with your head as much as you can. This is definitely a challenge because you're balancing. So just do the best you can. It's okay if your leg is down here, but the goal is to try to get your body into a straight line. So you can imagine there's a string going from the bottom of your foot all the way through your body and out the top of your head to kind of help you balance. You can also leave your arms, your hands at your hips like this. So it looks the same on the other foot. Warrior 2 on the left side. Stretch as much as you need to. And then step up. Bring the leg up. There you go. Give those a try and let me know if you have questions. Like I said, those are great for full body stretch, full body strength, and really good for our posture, for strengthening those muscles so we can, sit up and stand up tall. Have a good day.